Hi first graders. Now we're going to add labels or a caption to our posters. Remember, I already drew my diagram of my insect, a mosquito. I drew my diagram so it was accurate or as realistic as possible. It's big, so it takes up a lot of space on the page. It's colorful. I added lots of different colors to try to make it look just like a real mosquito. I added different colors, different shades of brown and black, some yellow, all of that, and it's detailed. I see lots of different parts of my mosquito. Now, just like as if this were a real nonfiction book, I want to make sure that my poster has text features, and the text features we're going to add are labels and captions. You can choose one or the other or both. I'll show you how to do both today, and then you can decide what you want to do. I think I'll start with labels. Now, my diagram is of the mosquito, and I want to think about what makes sense to label on my diagram. I think I will label the body parts of my mosquito. And I know a label has an arrow or a line that points to the part, and then a word that explains what it is. So I think I'll start with this right here. Let's see, I'll do it in a little line right here, and this is the mosquito's legs. I'll write the word legs. These back here, even though they're folded up and they're not open, are the wings, the mosquito's wings. So I'll draw a line pointing to the wings and then write the word wings. I also remembered one important part of the mosquito that I drew was the proboscis, which was the long, skinny nose that the male mosquitoes use to drink nectar and the female mosquitoes use to drink blood. So I will also draw a line pointing at the proboscis and then write that word proboscis. Proboscis. And if I don't know how to spell any of these words, I can go back to my PebbleGo article and double check. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'll also label the antenna. Okay, here are the 4 labels that I chose. I labeled the wings, the legs, the antenna, and the proboscis. Now, I know that I can use one of my interesting facts that I researched to help me with the caption. Remember, a caption is different from a label because a caption explains something about the picture. I think I want to explain what the proboscis is because people will probably know what wings are, they'll probably know what legs are, but they might not have any idea what the proboscis does. So I think my caption should explain what the proboscis does. So I will write a caption or a sentence that says that right here underneath my diagram. Okay, let's see. I will say the proboscis is a long, skinny nose. And then I'll explain what mosquitoes use their proboscis for. Male mosquitoes use it to drink nectar. And I'll say females drink blood with it. Oops, see, this is why you use pencil. I made a little mistake. I can erase it and fix it. Females drink blood with it. I'll go right down here. And there I have labels and I have a caption. So now I have 2 text features on my poster. Actually, I have 3. I have my diagram, my labels, and my caption. The proboscis is a long, skinny nose. Male mosquitoes use it to drink nectar. Females drink blood with it. So now I've explained about a part of my diagram, and now I'm all set for the next part of my poster, which will be to add interesting facts at the bottom. Good luck adding some captions or labels.